Hello and welcome to How To Automotive's New Tool Thursday. Today we're featuring the Mightyvac Fluid Evacuator. So when you get your evacuator, it's going to come with an assortment of hoses to suck fluids out with, small, medium, and large. It just presses onto the top of the unit with a rubber grommet here at the top. So this is a handy tool that I use every day at the shop. So if I overfill a radiator reservoir, I can suck out the coolant right into it. All you do is pump the handle a few times and it starts sucking. So this is one of those tools that can save you a lot of time and effort. I use them for brake fluid flushes. I use them for all kinds of applications. So I use them on coolant, brake fluid. I use them on oil, such as this oil filter here. As I took the filter off, it left a little puddle inside here, so I use it to suck it out, to clean it up. And then we just empty it by pulling out the rubber grommet and dumping it upside down into a proper container. For more information on the fluid evacuator, check the description of the video. I'm Brian Essen from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching.